In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome slow download speeds on Android. If your files, apps, or media are taking forever to download, don't worry. We'll walk through several practical checks and adjustments you can make on your phone, so Chrome can download as quickly and reliably as possible. First, start with the basics. Your internet connection. Slow downloads are often caused by weak Wi-Fi or mobile data. Make sure you're close to your Wi-Fi router and that other devices on the same network aren't streaming or downloading large files at the same time. If you're using mobile data, check that you have a strong signal and that your data plan isn't throttling your speed. You can also try running a quick speed test with any trusted speed test app to see if the issue is your connection rather than Chrome. Next, open Chrome on your Android device and check if it's updated to the latest version. Outdated versions can have bugs or performance issues. Head to the Google Play Store, search for Chrome, and tap Update if you see the option. Keeping Chrome updated ensures you get the latest performance improvements and security fixes, which can directly affect download stability and speed. If downloads are still slow, try clearing Chrome's cache. Over time, cached data can build up and cause the browser to behave sluggishly. Go to your phone's settings, open apps, find Chrome, and then go to storage. From here, tap Clear Cache. This won't remove your bookmarks or saved passwords, but it can refresh how the app runs. After clearing the cache, restart Chrome and try downloading again. It's also a good idea to disable any data saver or light mode features that might be limiting Chrome. In Chrome's settings, look for options related to reducing data usage. While these can be helpful for saving data, they can sometimes slow downloads or interfere with larger files. Turn these features off temporarily and see if your download speeds improve. Finally, if nothing else works, consider resetting Chrome's app data. This is a more advanced step because it returns Chrome to its default state, as if you just installed it. Go back to your phone's settings, apps, then Chrome, and in the storage section, tap Clear Data or Manage Space, then Confirm. Before you do this, make sure your important bookmarks and passwords are synced to your Google account so you don't lose anything important. Try these solutions one by one, testing your downloads after each change. By the end, you should see a noticeable improvement in Chrome's download speeds on your Android device.